Are you tired of those pesky white flakes on your shoulders? Dandruff can be a real confidence killer, but don't worry, we've got your back. In today's video, we are going to share with you 8 natural ways to banish dandruff fast. So stick around and get ready to say goodbye to those annoying flakes once and for all. Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriologgy, and if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome content. Today, we are diving deep into the world of dandruff and how you can naturally kick it to the curb. Dandruff can be a real nuisance, causing itchiness, discomfort, and sometimes even embarrassment. But before you reach for those chemical-laden shampoos, let's explore some effective and natural solutions to destroy dandruff fast. So let's jump right in. Segment 1 talks about the power of apple cider vinegar. Our first natural remedy is the mighty apple cider vinegar. ACV is renowned for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a fantastic dandruff fighter. To use it, simply mix equal parts water and ACV, apply it to your scalp and let it sit for about 15 minutes before washing it out. You'll be amazed at the results. Segment 2 talks about the coconut oil magic. Up next, we have coconut oil, a superstar in the world of hair care. It's packed with healthy fats that moisturize your scalp, reducing dryness and flakes. Massage warm coconut oil and leave it for at least 30 minutes before shampooing. Your hair will thank you. Segment 3 talks about tea tree oil treatment. Tea tree oil is a powerful essential oil that can help you bid adieu to dandruff. Mix a few drops with your regular shampoo or dilute it with a carrier oil, then massage it into your scalp. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of tea tree oil will help alleviate dandruff. Segment 4 Lemon Juice Remedy. If you are looking for an easy kitchen-based solution, lemon juice is your go-to option. The acidity of lemon juice can help balance the pH of your scalp, keeping dandruff at bay. Simply massage lemon juice onto your scalp, leave it on for a few minutes and then wash it out. Plus, you'll have that fresh citrusy scent. Segment 5 Baking Soda Scrub. Baking soda is another pantry hero that can exfoliate your scalp gently, removing dead skin cells and dandruff. Make a paste with water and apply it to your scalp. Leave it for a few minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Your hair will feel squeaky clean. Segment 6 Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera isn't just for sunburns, it's a fantastic natural solution for dandruff too. The cooling and hydrating properties of aloe vera gel can relieve itching and flaking. Apply the gel directly to your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes and wash it off for a soothing sensation. Segment 7 talks about the goodness of garlic. This might sound strange, but garlic is a potent antifungal agent. Crush a few cloves and mix them with honey. Apply this mixture to your scalp, leave it for 15 minutes and wash thoroughly. Don't worry, the smell won't linger. Segment 8 talks about a healthy diet. Last but not least, remember that a healthy diet plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy scalp. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and vitamins. These nutrients help combat dandruff from within, promoting a healthy scalp and beautiful hair. So there you have it, 8 natural ways to destroy dandruff fast. Say goodbye to those irritating flakes and hello to a healthier, happier scalp. Before we wrap up, remember that consistency is key. Choose the remedy that best works for you and make it a part of your regular hair care routine. And always consult with a dermatologist if your dandruff persists or worsens. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be battling dandruff. And if you have any natural dandruff fighting tips or questions, leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to a dandruff-free, confident you. See you in the next one. Toodles!